latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The pandemic has led to closure of schools and educational institutions. Subsequently, examinations across the country were either cancelled or postponed due to the lockdown. There is no clarity on whether Class 10 and 12 board exams will be held. The Supreme Court will decide on whether or not to conduct board examinations on Thursday. The Supreme Court sought a response from Central Board of Secondary Education on board examinations. CBSE will inform the Supreme Court on its decision on Thursday. The counsel for CBSE informed the court that the board was still deciding on whether or not to conduct exams. A bench led by Justices A.M. Khanwilkar, Dinesh Maheshwari and Sanjeev Khanna heard the plea filed by parents. Parents of 12 standard students filed a plea in the Supreme Court seeking cancellation of board examinations scheduled to be held in July. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing on behalf of MHRD, told the court that decision-making process was in advanced stage.
By tomorrow evening, a formal decision will be finalized. We understand the anxiety of the students. We can inform the court day after tomorrow.
The bench has adjourned the case for June 25th. The Supreme Court has given ICSE the liberty to follow the decision taken by CBSE on conducting board exams. The petitioners observed that according to the data released by All India Institute of Medical Sciences, COVID-19 will reach its peak soon. Parents find it risky to hold exams during the peak in infections. Parents feel it is dangerous for students in containment zones to step out of their houses. The petition highlighted the difficulty of students to reach exam centers. The petition highlights the practical difficulties of taking precautionary measures like social distancing and hand sanitizers at exam centers. The petition sought the quashing of the May 18 notification in which the date sheet for remaining exams were announced. On these grounds, petitioners want board examinations to be cancelled. If board examinations are cancelled, the examination board will look at other alternatives. The result will most likely be calculated on the basis of internal marks of students. However, CBSE board exams are critical considering competitive entrance exams like CET and NEET. Lakhs of parents and students are waiting for a final word on board examinations. Parents are also against the Karnataka government holding SSLC examinations for students. NSUI members demanded that the exams be called off in the state. The SSLC exams is slated to be held on June 25th. There have been rising concerns of lack of precautionary measures in examination centers. It remains to be seen whether the board considers concerns raised by parents.